Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to convert Trello cards into subtasks. This is your full 2025 guide. Our first step is to select the card you want to convert into a subtask. You should do this because it is the basic yet an essential prerequisite for the whole process. You can't convert a card into a subtask without first selecting it. Now that we've done that, the next thing to do is to click on the More button at the lower right corner of the card. The reason we do this is to reveal the card's hidden menu, giving us access to more options. Within this menu, choose the Convert to Subtask option. This helps us because it transforms the card into a subtask under a larger, more general task. Let me explain why this matters. It can help you categorize your tasks better and manage your workflow more effectively. Next up, we need to assign the new subtask to a parent card. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The subtask, once created, needs a parent card to be associated with. This allows you to group related tasks and subtasks together, making you more organized. Finally, confirm the conversion by clicking Yes. This finalizes the transformation of the card into a subtask. This step is important because without confirmation, the conversion process will not be completed. And that's it. You've successfully converted a Trello card into a subtask. This brief guide should have given you a clear understanding of the process. Remember, the ability to create subtasks from cards is a great way to streamline your workflow and improve task management. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.